Hello everyone, today I'm going to be giving you perhaps the best Octane guide on YouTube. This is going to include every tip, trick and tactic you can use to elevate your game while playing Octane. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do while playing Octane is stim as you're looting and landing. Stim, stim, stim. That's the way to go. Pick up all that loot. It don't matter who's around, get that stuff in you. You're never going to know when you're going to need it for a fight. Second thing you're going to want to know is stimming in the storm. You have that speed ability for a reason. It doesn't matter that your health is getting drained away by the zone. If you stim, guarantee you're going to make it out alive. Like, check out this clip. I could have jump padded and gone into zone. No, I need to stim my way in. I'm on 1 HP, but that don't matter. I ain't burning up. The next thing that you're going to want to know is stimming around. Since you have that ability to jab that needle into your side and run at super speeds, use it. You can see that I'm on 1 HP because of this. But I ain't getting into a fight anytime soon, so no need to worry about all of my health. Now the next tip I got for you is how to push into fights. So there's a fight happening in front of me, I could run in normally, but no, I use the jump pad. Now this is going to confuse the enemies. They don't know that I'm going to be back here behind them. I could run in and get the jump on them, like this Loba here. That's not a Loba, but oh well. This is a Loba. Maybe it was the guy from before. That guy's confused now. I'm dead though. Now, reanalyzing my death here, that was a Loba that I was shooting. I was just a bit confused. That lifeline goes down, but the reason I died here was not because of my very low HP from stimming around constantly. It was a skill issue. No doubt about it. Here's a better example of moving into these fights. So, I'm playing Octane here. I stim into this fight. This lifeline here, she didn't see that one coming. She got dropped, and so did her teammate by my teammate. Our next trick is getting out of tough situations. So boom, that race shocks me. I again use my stim to get out of there. I'm not going to be a part of that one. Now the final lesson I'm teaching you today is the tactical jump pad. So, the difference between a tactical jump pad and a normal one, this one's strategical. So there's a guy down there. We want to get to him. Straight jump pad onto this poor fool. Now we're going to be in the action, so we have to be on point. Now, as you can see, these two people, they get dropped, all because of the tactical jump pad.
Trust me.
Thanks for watching the video, everyone. Obviously, this is a bit of a joke. But anyways, if you enjoyed, consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!